Most agencies aren't dying, they just haven't seen a doctor yet. If you're relying on referrals for growth, you're not healthy, you're exposed. I'm Dr. Papa Kwesi Sefa. I'm a medical doctor turned B2B growth specialist. Today, I diagnose and treat the part of your business that you've been putting off, your sales pipeline. Before you ask, no, I won't be giving you a medical exam. That is a different kind of appointment. But quick question, is your agency almost entirely dependent on referrals for new business? If yes, you're suffering from what I call referral dependency syndrome. This is a chronic condition affecting 90% of agencies. Here's your diagnosis. You're exposed to risk, whether you feel it yet or not. One referral source drying up, one bad quarter, or one market shift can leave you with no pipeline and no plan. You've probably avoided outbound because you've seen other agencies get burned by spray and pray tactics that damage reputations instead of driving results. Here's the good news. This condition is 100% treatable. My team and I have routinely helped agencies add 100k plus within 90 days, and over the past 18 months, our clients have added well over $1 million in deals as a result of partnering with us. Now, you probably have tons of people reaching out about cold email, but you don't even know if this works for you. That's why I'm offering a 14-day intensive care sprint. Instead of spray and pray tactics, we'll use surgical precision to identify your dream clients, and then we'll craft emails so personalized that they're going to think you've been following their company. We'll get your campaigns live in under 3 days. While other vendors are still warming up inboxes, we're already generating results. You can expect to see 3 to 5 qualified calls in the first 14 days. The sprint is going to tell you exactly whether or not outbound is worth scaling for your agency. Here's what happens when agencies get the right treatment. RLMPR is a New York-based PR agency that works primarily with high-profile consumer brands. They were entirely dependent on referrals before we partnered. Since then, we've helped them to build a scalable outbound engine that has added 850k in ARR in under 10 months and landed them meetings with major media brands including Fortune.com and the New York Post. Another example, Worcester Interactive. This is a full-service marketing agency based in Massachusetts. When they came to us, they hadn't been profitable in almost a year. Think about that. Within 83 days, they'd added over 100k in deals, including a $6,300 a month client signed from a call that we booked them within the first week of launching campaigns. These agencies have beat referral dependency syndrome, and now they have a clean bill of health. The best time to fix your pipeline was 6 months ago. The second best time is right now. We only work with 2 agencies per month to maintain our high standards. If you're ready to stop gambling with your agency's health, click below to book a 15-minute consultation and see if you qualify for the sprint. We'll identify exactly what's been killing your pipeline, and we'll map out a plan to fix it. No sales pitch, just a diagnosis.